What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Nikki the Glam Teacher. Today, we are in the fitting room at Target and we are going to do a swimsuit try on haul. I am going on vacation and I need something that is going to be cute, something that is going to stand out, something that is affordable and comfortable. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. We talk about everything body positivity, fashion, travel, reviews. Most importantly, keep it cute, keep it classy, keep it positive. If you are a hater, a negative body shamer, please exit the channel now. Like right now. All right? So, we love to talk about loving on ourselves and appreciating our body, whether we are surgery, natural, big, little. Y'all see this booty right here? It's not perfect. I got lumps, dimps, bumps, all of that. But I'm still going to look in the mirror every day and tell myself I am beautiful, I'm gorgeous, I deserve happiness, I deserve love, okay? And one thing about me, I'm going to give myself exactly that. So stay tuned, watch the full video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which swimsuit is your favorite in this haul. I'm going to share with you the style, the price, everything, everything. So just watch the video. Thank you. All right, so boom, glam crew. I was just pushing my little buggy through Target and I saw this beautiful burgundy swimsuit bikini, right? Now, the beautiful thing about this brand, Shade and Shore, they have these swimsuits where you can mix and match. These bottoms come in like high waist, they come in thong, they come in all different type of styles. The top comes in like the tankini form. You can also get this as a one piece. So if you don't want to do a bikini, or if you want the cut to be a little different on you, you can mix and match it. I also love that this bra top on the swimsuit had underwire on it. When I tell y'all, I just had to take off my undergarment, my top part, the bra, to make sure the fit was the real deal. Oh my. Like, it's coming up. It's coming up. I just had to get that off of my chest because it fit so amazing. Now, when I was in the store, these bottoms were the only bottoms that was an extra large. So, I didn't get those bottoms. I ordered some high-waisted ones in an extra large online. So, I'm hoping that will get here before I head on over to Greece. If not, I'm going to have to do a different swimsuit with this cover up. Now, in this haul, I am looking for swimsuits that I can easily match with a cover up. And I'm trying to find a cover up that I can wear as like an outfit as well, so that I can, be out and about, sightseeing, catch a bite to eat at a nice little restaurant, and then head to the beach or the pool or whatever. And then plus in the evenings, I hear that Greece can get really cool. So I want something that'll cover me up and just give me a little bit extra coverage and keep me warm. Now, don't come for my little hair, y'all. I am planning to get a little wax. I don't know how that's going to go. I had to take a moment to pause because I got a wax before and I could not finish it. I had to tell the lady to stop. But I'm going to a different place and I'm supposed to be upgrading to like a signature premium something, and that's supposed to offer a better experience. I will let y'all know. Now, I'm going to do some bouncing, some twisting, bending, turning. Y'all know how I do on these try on hauls. If you're new here, I do a lot of moving around in the fitting room because I want to make sure I'm getting the best fit possible, especially being a curvy girl. I don't want to try on something that's going to later on rip or tear or pull down and just like I don't like that. And I don't want something to be super tight and it's creating like a bulge that's looking uncomfortable. Mm-mm. So the only way for me to be like a good judge of that is to move around, wiggle and jiggle like my regular life. I have a wild child, so I'm constantly running and jumping it. So yes, I have to make sure everything is fitting properly before I even walk out of the store and spend my money. I work hard for my money. Now this cover up, my, beautiful ombre color. This cover up dress is beautiful. It's soft. It has a very nice sheer design in it. Not too much, not too much. Just enough. Just enough. Very, very classy. I can see myself on the yacht in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea. Just, I can't wait. I cannot wait, y'all. This material is very good. This bikini, very soft, material stretchy. I highly recommend this swimsuit for the plus size bodies, okay? I highly recommend it. The material will not have you disappointed. It feels good on my skin. It stretches right. The top has the perfect full coverage. And like I said, you can mix and match the bottoms to your liking. You don't have to like fit in. It's going to fit you and your needs. Okay? Go get it. This red one piece swimsuit, I picked this up just in case the bikini didn't work out because I really wanted that ombre cover up. I typically wanted to do a swimsuit and I like swimsuits that have like a unique something about it. This one it seemed pretty basic, but it does have the little snap buttons going down the middle. So that is somewhat unique for me because I do not yet have a swimsuit like that. Now it is a little tight going across my thighs, but once I got it on, you will see it is the right size, okay? Because I'm trying to snatch in this waist, okay? And I need it to be tight on my waist so you can get the snatching effect. But it fit good. It fit good. I love this swimsuit. I love it. Now, it does not have any padding or underwire in the chest area. So you will not get like the full look of how the chest will be for you. And I didn't try this on without my undergarment. It looks really good with the undergarment. You got to make sure you pull it up so you got all that little side fat and love up in there, okay? Get all them beautiful rolls up in there. Yes. Rolling, rolling on the river. Get up, doom. All right, back to the video. Yeah, so boom, boom. I love this burgundy color. I'm just now realizing that burgundy looks really good on my skin tone. So these burgundy swimsuits really caught my eye and stood out when I was in Target this try on haul. So I plan to get more burgundy. I love that this swimsuit does have adjustable straps. So you can definitely pull it up in the chest area just to give you a little bit more safety and security. So if you're bouncing and moving around, you probably will not have anything spilling out. This swimsuit material is stretchy. I wish it did offer a little bit more of like a unique design, I guess, in it, but it doesn't. But nothing's wrong with a slightly plain, solid swimsuit. Sometimes those plain, solid swimsuits really do help you stand out when everybody's wearing florals, cheetah prints, and bright neon and whatnot. And then you're just standing out in your basic solid burgundy, like, bow. Watch out now. So, let's try on this little orange floral. Something about orange, red, and burgundy is just catching my eye. And let's try it on. Now, this brand Wild Fable is like one of my favorite brands at Target, and it never disappoints. Never. I love how soft this swimsuit cover up it is. It reminds me of like a beach towel. I believe the material is called terry cloth. It reminds me of a terry cloth beach towel. And the colors are very bold in the flowers. Very, very pretty. I love that. Make sure you all let me know in the comments what you think about these swimsuits. Which ones stick out to you most? Are you going to stop by Target and do you some shopping? Let me know in the comments. Also, as a reminder, if you want to catch more exclusive perks from me, like live lingerie try-on hauls, okay, or one-on-one chats with me, join my Elite VIP membership. You got to join the Elite. I have 2 membership levels. You will get access to videos first before they go public and a few other little nice perks. So definitely go check out my Elite VIP membership only here on YouTube. Boom. Let's check out the next swimsuits. And thank you so much for watching my glam crew. I just had to give this outfit one more spin around. I love the split on here. So gorgeous. And it's actually breathable. Even though it feels like terry cloth material, it's still breathable. So it is very good for swimsuit and getting wet, but then drying out quick. Okay, so we are going to look at this brown swimsuit set. I know it looks like it's a short set, but it is actually a swimsuit cover up. And I really like that because this could be like a sightseeing outfit with your swimsuit underneath. You can hit the beach and then put back on your cover up, go catch lunch at a nice restaurant, do some shopping. And then if you want to hit the beach again, this is just perfect. This is that perfect outfit for all day in and out the pool, hitting restaurants, sightseeing. This is what I plan for this outfit right here. Now this one piece, it does have a low scoop cut out in the back. So if you are feeling a little insecure about your back, you might want to skip this. But honestly, don't skip it. There is no reason to feel insecure. Get in that mirror and you tell yourself you are gorgeous, you are beautiful, you deserve love, you deserve happiness. And guess what? You get up and you get out and you give yourself love and you give yourself happiness. Okay? All right? Okay. Thank you. So, this one piece is very, very stretchy. I love that the back has adjustable straps. So if you are a little bit more big backed, I'm laughing because I'm more big backed. Okay? I'm wide up top, all right? No judgment. This is a no judgment zone. What Planet Fitness say? No judgment. So if you are a little bit more wide backed, big backed, you can actually adjust the straps and make it more comfortable to your likings. Mm-hmm. And then this does have light padding in the chest area. This brown is very gorgeous. It doesn't give dull. Not too bright either, but it is a beautiful, nice chocolate brown. And I believe it looks nice on all skin tones. Brown is one of those colors that looks gorgeous on all skin tones. So let me know what you think about brown. And let me know what you think about this swimsuit cover up because I love it. I love it. The pockets are just the extra icing on the cake. I love the pockets on this. You can easily put this on, run a few errands, and hit the beach. Put your keys and your phone in your pockets and hit the beach. No extra bags needed. All right? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. The shorts fit very comfortable. There's a drawstring on there. It's not tight on my thighs. My thighs can breathe. And I just rolled up the arms on it just to give it like kind of like a sort of different little styled look. Opened up the buttons and tied it a little bit. Try to make it more fashionable, but you wear it and style it what you think is best for you. I think it's T. And clock it. Now these two swimsuits right here, I'm going to show y'all the sizing and the pricing. Yeah, Target swimsuits are a bit expensive, especially when it's peak season. That blue one does have underwire. And because I was already in love with the brown in the very first swimsuit, the bikini set, and the sundress, the ombre, I was already over my swimsuit budget. So I had to I had to tap myself on the shoulder and say, girl, back to reality. Okay, what you doing? You know you can't buy all this. So pick you 2 outfits and let's go. So, boom. Made it happen, made it work. Let me know what you think. Should I have at least, maybe try it on the cheetah print or the blue? I don't know. I don't know. But they're cute. I like the cutout design. Very cute design. And the swimsuit with the underwire and the extra lift and support definitely would have been an extra great touch, especially if you just need that extra push after being a mommy or maybe losing weight like me. I lost weight and I got a little sag and I breastfed, so I need me a little push and a little underwire. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and check out my other videos.